SocomGear Punisher 1911 style pistol, gas blowback. Comes in this hard case by SocomGear. Start by opening up the case. And we got the Punisher 1911. Package includes one pistol, single magazine, standard barrel bushing, orange threaded tip, which will be pre-installed on the gun. Also included is our SocomGear silver 1911 compensator. If you look up closely here, see some engravings. This side reads "No Mercy," kind of a personal motto of the Punisher. Flip it over, we have in cursive custom Punisher 45 in our standard SocomGear pistol grips. One unique thing about this pistol is that it has a two-tone feel to it. You have the silver beaver tail, ambi safeties, hammer, trigger, barrel. It was modeled after the Punisher 1911, and in the movie you had two of these side by side.